Right, okay, well, I'm making this because nobody else can actually do one on the YouTube, so I'm just going to try this out. Okay, this is one Xperia J phone. I'm just going to take it apart and go from there. Let's see, first thing I'm going to do is take this card out and the SIM. And obviously there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different screws. I'm going to take them out as well. There's one screw there, as you can see I've taken the black bits off and taken all the screws out. There's just one screw there I'm going to take out, and once I've taken it out, which is that one there, you can see that, and then I'm going to take this silver bit off. I've taken that bit off, but there was a nice little screw sitting in there which I wasn't aware of, which also is that one there, covered by a little white area there. So now I'm going to take the circuit board off and I'm going to heat the front up, I think. So here we are a bit further along. As you can see, I've kept this intact. If I flip that over, you see the back of the circuit board, been very gentle with that. At the top there, this little thing here is what attaches the screen to that part. So what I'm going to do now is just use something very basic like a hairdryer and start taking the screen out. So I've taken the other screen off, and that was the busted screen. I've now done that, cleaned up all the edges, and now I'm going to take the white off, put the new screen on and thread it through. I've taken, obviously, I've threaded this part through, and what I've also done is unclip that. It just about makes the connection. You see a little white line there. Just put that in and push that down. Okay, so that's now all in place. So now what I'm going to do now is thread this back over, clip in this bit and this bit, and once I've got that in, just push the board back down into these little holders here, and then I can start thinking about screwing it all back together. Well, I've now threaded that bit in, and I've threaded the bottom part of that. Now the difficult part was putting this bit in, this little black cable here. So an easy tip is to unstick this bit down here, take this one out, that one can stay in, and then once you've got that clipped in, then you can put that in. It should be. That's it. So what I'm going to do is start putting it all back together again, and with luck, turn it all on and it will fire up. Right, okay, so screw these screws back in. And now I'm just going to plug it in and see what happens. And there's the finished result.